They said that's a ball for beginners, and it's our first time, and we are beginners. It's a beginner ball for the seniors. Oh no, 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 no! You don't. Oh yeah, you don't look like seniors.
Ba, the camera's on the thing.
Yeah, it's okay.
Di ko kita? Di ako kita?
Hindi, dapat pa ganun.
Dito.
Yeah, we can go there.
We bought it. They said it's because it's sabi niya soft and soft and masarap daw hawakan.
Yung sa kasi yung nagagamit natin. Kaya tinanong ko ano difference.
Yeah, really? What kind of
Are you a football player? Are you a football player? Yeah, that's good.
I never played soccer.
Soccer.
Oh, soccer.
That's good.
Good for you because you're still young, huh?
Keep on practicing.
I don't know why you're looking at me.
Because the other one is for because it's so that's what they said it's for the beginner, and it's our first time to do this, and that's the ball for the seniors, for the beginner. Oh no, you don't look at
Good. I'm gonna throw you out. Because you're so good, so I'm gonna throw you out. I'm sorry. Like you're a good ball player. Right, you're on the other side.
Pag nababawag mo yung palo. Pinawisan namin. Dito ka ako mainit dyan. Hindi. Unti-unti ito lalakas ang ano natin. Resistensya. Oh! There,
I'm here too.
Oh no, we're going to transfer the other. Okay, good. Pedal, ang laro nila pedal. It's a pedal, it's medal.
Ano nga yun yung...
Hindi daw pickleball.
Oh?
Laro daw ng Spain.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they're here?
Laro daw ng
Oh, so
Spain. Mas
Spanish
gusto
siya?
daw niya yan kaysa daw sa pickleball.
Mas gusto niya yan? T-ball?
Pedal,
Pedal?
from Spain. Ay, sports daw ng Spain.
Oh, yeah. Siguro ano Spanish ha?
Hindi.
Yeah. Keep practicing. No.
Hindi mo, be. Hindi mo aabutin. Kasi nakita ko sa...
Kailangan ano ka, step ka pa, another step.
Pag ganon,
Another step.
Wag mo abutin. Step ka, habulin mo. Ganun yun. Yun ang sabi ko. Nakita ko sa video. Habulin mo. Habulin. Bahala ka. Ay, hindi daw sa dapat kung parang titignan mo ko saan
O sa babagsak.
kung saan ang level ng bola.
Sa babagsak. Inuwisan na ako agad eh. Iba-iba yung ano, iba-iba yung weight niya. Tingnan natin kung ano sa kanya. Tingnan pa tayo ba?
Akin ba yan?
Wala kasing nang ano eh, no?
Dahil yung may tali. Ayun.
Malabo. this a live?
No, video.
Hi! Iba na naman ang sports namin.
I saw Ate Lengleng yesterday.
After billiard,
Hi guys!
I'm
Mommy,
first
I
time
saw Omar yesterday with Ate
practicing
Lengleng.
this one.
Ate Lengleng. Tumilis yun na ano pang ihaw eh. May birthday ata eh kung sino mag-birthday sa anak namin. Hindi na rin nakakalabas si Tito Ay. Masakit talagang mga tuhod eh. Ganun o. Ganun o. Dapat nabili mo na ganito si Ate Queen para pamaya.
Tingin tayo na iba. Kasi yung kaya papalagyan ko ng tali. Doon sa ano, sa Big Five.
Kapayat ako nito. Kapayat ako nito.
Papawisan ka, Ben. Kahit 30 minutes lang. Ako nga, pinapawisan na, oh.
Pala nag-short ka.
Sige, next time, kasi malamig eh.
Softball yun.
Oo nga. Paano ang bigay? Ganon? Ganon ang bigay ng bola?
Saan?
Pag nag-pitch, paano? Bato o pag ganon? Pag pabato is base. Pag softball is ano? Titingnan mo kung anong bato. Paano bato? Dito, makikita na dito. Yung pitcher. Nabasahan na ako, oh. Then, sanayin mo na yung agad na marunong ka doon sa mahaba. Sa dulo na. Yan, ganyan, yan. Oh.